Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday during the past weekend. And here we go. We shall see what's inside. Take advantage of the sales going on now. And you can get one of these at a low cost. So definitely check them out. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Much appreciated. And I can get one of these. Uh-oh, one more cut. There we go. Oh, baby. Definitely always good to have one of these around. This is coming from Cafovidia. Powerful air duster. 470G. Powerful wind pressure. Got different nozzles. This thing looks like a beast. Cafovidia. I think I said it right. Press and hold the power button 3 seconds. Turn on the device. The indicator lights will illuminate. Press the power button again to switch wind speed between first, second, third, fourth gear. When the power is on, LED button, light up button, turn on and off. Okay, I think I got it. Air inlet, Type-C charging point, LED light button, battery indicator, power gear button. Sweet. Yeah, like I said, these are really nice to clean your keyboards. Maybe detail your car a little bit. I know my keyboard needs some detailing, so we'll do that over there in a second. And now here we go. So this is what you get in the box. We get the manual. We get a travel satchel or pouch. Nice chrome finish. You got the zip tie or the tie straps. You got a little brusher in between cracks. Is this a crevice or just a normal brush? You can hook it up. So you get that. And you get the lantern, USB cable. What's it? This must be the nozzles. Hopefully it's charged enough so I can show you guys. Come on out. There we go. So we got a stack of them. These kind. Look at this thing. We got 4 of them. And now here is the unit. Oh, she got some weight to it. So this must be a good one. Close this thing back up. And here we go. Whoa. Check out this beauty. She's a beast. It's like almost smashed out some glass. Like an emergency glass breaker. But you could detail your car, no problem. Keyboards. Cafovidia. Really nice design. Look at that turbo fan. Fly me to the moon. USB, there's an indicator light. Here's the bottom. You could hook up the lantern right there. I'm not going to use it. Let's keep it to the side. But yeah, really nice. Oh, let me... how do I gotta... How do I do this thing? Whoa. We got a light here. It's pretty bright. Check that spotlight out. It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Pretty bright. Okay, how do I... There's gotta be a magic way. Okay, hold on. Ooh. I heard a twist. There we go. Bam. See? So you get 5 replacement, or 5 of these things. Like so. And then boom, 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 boom. We'll try this thing out. There we go. She is locked in. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Holy smokes. This thing is loud. But we'll check the computer right now. And here we go. Dang. It needs to be charged. But definitely check them out, guys. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good day.